Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, VIVO X90 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this smartphone. So firstly, open the control panel and let's disable all unnecessary features. For example, if you have enabled Wi-Fi and you are connected to the Wi-Fi but you have enabled mobile internet, so just disable the mobile internet, because if both of networks are enabled, they both are constantly searching for their networks. For mobile internet, constantly searching for 5G, 4G and Wi-Fi for nearby Wi-Fi networks. Disable Bluetooth if you don't need it right now, disable hotspot, disable location services if you don't need maps right now, and disable NFC and nearby share, of course. Great. Then open the settings, scroll down and find here display and brightness. Here choose dark theme. So dark theme will save your battery life because you have a super OLED display on your device, and it means that in black places, in black areas on your screen just disabled, because your screen was created by from 1000 micro LED lamps, and lamp can't produce black color. So if you see black color, it means that the lamps in this area are just disabled, and in this way you can improve your battery life. And of course you can open battery, then choose battery saver and enable battery saver mode. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, and bye.